Hello and welcome to Prismat. Our topic for today is all about finding the equation of a line. Linear equation is a first degree polynomial equation in two variables whose graph is a line. So we all know that linear equation, the given graph is a line, and a first degree polynomial equation in two variables, written in the form of ax plus by equals c, or it can be written in the form of y equals to mx plus b. A, b, and c are real number. A, b are not both equal to 0, and then c is the constant, and then a, b is the numerical coefficients of the variable x and y. And then we have y equals to mx plus b, wherein m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The equation of a line is typically written as y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The equation of a line can be determined using the following formulae. We have the slope-intercept form, and this will be the given formula, y equals to mx plus b. We have point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals m, then quantity x minus x sub 1. And 2-point form, we have y minus y sub 1 equals to, or is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided into x sub 2 minus x sub 1, then multiply to quantity x minus x sub 1. So the equation of a line can be determined using this following formulae. The first one is we have the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. Slope-intercept form is a specific form of a linear equation. It has the following general structure. And we have y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope. We all know that m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, wherein m and b can be any real numbers. So these are the steps to find the equation of a line given the slope and the y-intercept. So the first step is identify the slope. Then we have identify the y-intercept. And then number 3 is substitute the values into the slope-intercept formula. So this will be the formula, y equals to mx plus b. Now we have the example number 1. Find the equation of the line of the form y equals to mx plus b with slope 5 and y-intercept 10. So we are looking for the equation of a line in the form of this form, and we call this slope-intercept form. Y equals to mx plus b, wherein m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, with slope 5 and y-intercept 10. So we have the solution. So the first step is identify the slope. So we have the slope, and that will be your positive 5. Then step 2, identify y-intercept. And this will be your y-intercept. B equals positive 10. And then step 3, substitute the values into the slope-intercept form. And this will be the given order. Y equals to mx plus b. And therefore, we have y equals to mx plus b. Now, all you have to do is substitute the value of m and b. And m stands for slope and b means y-intercept. So your m is given. So all you have to do is m change to positive 5. And then we have b changed to positive 10. And therefore, we have y equals to 5x plus 10. Then we have y equals to 5x plus 10. So this will be your equation of a line. So this will be our answer. So we have y equals 5x plus 10. We have the slope is 5 and the y-intercept is 10. So this will be the formula. So this will be the order. So we have y equals to 5x of 5. That will be the slope. And b, that will be our y-intercept. So this will be your answer. Next, number 2, we have find the equation of the line of the form y equals to mx plus b with slope 2 and we have 0 and negative 7. Then we have the solution. So first step, identify the slope. So the slope is positive 2 and identify your y-intercept. Your y-intercept is negative 7 because we all know that your y-intercept, your x is 0, your first number, your x is 0, and then your y is given. So therefore, this will be your y-intercept. Then substitute the values into the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So we have y equals mx plus b. So y equals sign, then 2, that will be your slope, positive 2. Change m to positive 2. Then we have your x copy plus, then your b, we have negative 7. And then you simplify, you multiply positive to negative, 2 times x. So we have y equals to 2x minus 7. So negative, positive multiply to negative, and therefore the answer is negative. So therefore we have y equals to 2x minus 7. So this will be your answer. This will be your equation of the line of the form y equals to mx plus b. So this will be the slope 2 and your y-intercept 0 and negative 7. So therefore this will be your answer. Very easy. Next, we have the point slope form of the equation of a line. Point slope is the general form y minus y sub 1 equals m, the quantity x minus x sub 1 for linear equations. It emphasizes the slope of the line and a point on the line. That is not the y-intercept, and therefore that is not the y-intercept. We have a given point and we have a slope. To find the equation of a line given the slope and a point, so these are the following steps. So we have step number 1, identify the slope. Then step number 2, identify the point. And we have the step number 3, substitute the values into the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m, the quantity x minus x sub 1. And number 4, simplify if needed. So example number 1, find the equation of the line of the form y equals mx plus b through 2, then 5, the given order pair or the coordinates that has a slope of 4. So we have the solution. So first step, identify the slope. So the slope is positive 4. So we have your m equals positive 4. Identify the point. So that will be the step 2. Identify the point. So this will be your point. We have the given coordinates or the given ordered pair 2 and 5. So this will be your x, the first number. This will be your the second number, and that will be your y-axis. So x-axis, then y-axis. Step 3, substitute the values into the point slope form, and this will be your formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals to m, the quantity x minus x sub 1. So we have this formula, and then you substitute your y sub 1. So this will be your y sub 1, 5. Then we have 4. That will be your slope, 4. Change m to positive 4. Then we have your x sub 1. So we have 2, positive 2. Then we have step 4. You simplify. Step 4, simplify. So you multiply 4 multiply to x, then 4 multiply to negative 2. First, you copy this one and then multiply this and then multiply 4 and positive 2. So we have y minus 5 equals 4x. 4 multiply x is 4x. 4 multiply to negative 2, and the answer is negative 8. Then after that, we are looking for the form, find the equation of the line of the form y equals mx plus b. So therefore, you transpose negative 5 to right side. Then, kailangan you isolate y on the left side. So we have y equals 4x minus 8. And then this one transpose negative 5, then change to positive 5. Then after that, you combine the similar terms. So these are the similar term. Simplify negative 8 plus 5, and therefore the answer is y equals 4x minus 3, because negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Why negative? Because this one is negative 8 is greater than 5. So therefore this will be your equation of the line of the form y equals to mx plus b. So this will be your answer. Next, number 2, find the equation of the line of the form y equals mx plus b through negative 1 then negative 7, the given ordered pair that has a slope of 5. So again, we have the solution. So first step, identify the slope. So this will be your slope, positive 5. Then step 2, identify the point. And we have the given point, negative 1 and negative 7. Step 3, substitute the values into the point slope form. So this will be the formula y minus y sub 1 equals to m, the quantity x minus x sub 1. So therefore, this will be the formula. And then all you have to do is substitute this slope, the given slope, and the given point. So we have y minus negative 7, because this one is your y sub 1, the first point. Then we have 5. So 5 is the slope. That will be your m. Then we have your x, then minus. Then we have negative 1. So that will be your x sub 1 minus 1. And then after that, you simplify. That will be your last step. So multiply negative to negative 7, then multiply negative to negative 1, and therefore we have y plus 7. Negative negative is positive. Then we have 5, then x plus 1. Negative negative is positive 1. Then multiply 5 to x plus 1, 5 times x, 5 times positive 1. And therefore, we have y plus 7 equals 5x plus 5. Then transpose positive 7, because we are looking for the y equals to mx plus b, the given form. So we have y equals 5x plus 5. change this sign, positive 7 equals to negative 7. Then add this, positive 5 minus 7, and therefore the answer is y equals to 5x minus 2. So this will be your equation of the line of the form y equals mx plus b. So this will be the slope, and this will be your y-intercept, your b. Next, we have two-point form of the equation of a line. And this will be the formula is the two-point form where x sub 1 and y sub 1 are coordinates of the first point, while x sub 2 and y sub 2 are coordinates of the second point. So this will be your first point because x sub 1 and y sub 1. X sub 2, y sub 2, the second coordinate or the second point. To find the equation of a line given the 2 points, so these are the following steps. Number 1, identify your x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. Second step, substitute the values on the formula. So this will be the formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, then multiply to the quantity x minus x sub 1. Then number 3, simplify. We have the given example. Example number 1, write the equation of the line of the form y equals mx plus b that contains the points 2, 5, the first point, and the second point 3 and positive 8. So this will be your first ordered pair and the second ordered pair. First coordinate, second coordinate. So we have the solution. First, you identify your x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. So we have first point, 2, then positive 5. The second point, positive 3 and positive 8. And therefore, this will be your x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, because the first value is your x-axis and the second value is your y-axis. Then substitute the values on the formula. So this will be the formula. So we have y minus y sub 1 equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided into x sub 2 minus x sub 1, then multiplied into x minus x sub 1. So we have y minus 5. 5, that will be your y sub 1. Then 8 minus 5, your 8 y sub 2. Then 5 y sub 1 over 3 x sub 2. Then 2 x sub 1. Then multiply it into x minus 2. 2, that will be your x sub 1. So this will be your x sub 1, 2. Then simplify. So y minus 5 equals 3. Why 3? Because we have your 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 3 minus 1 is 1. Then 3 divided into 1, the answer is 3. Then copy this one, x minus 2. So multiply, multiply, then we have y minus 5 equals 3 multiplied into x is 3x. Then we have 3 multiplied to negative 2. The answer is negative 6. Then transpose y, your x minus 5 transpose. So we have y equals 3x minus 6. Then your negative 5, it will become positive 5. Then you add this, negative 6 plus 5. And we have y equals 3x minus 1. Because 6, negative 6 plus 5, the answer is negative y, 1. Why negative 1? Because 6 is greater than 5. And copy the sign. So therefore, this will be your equation of the line of the form y equals to mx plus b. So your m, your b, negative 1. Next, number 2, write the equation of the line of the form y equals to mx plus b that contains the points negative 8, 5, and negative 9, 11. So we have the solution. So identify first your x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. First point, so this will be your first point, x sub 1, y sub 1. Second point, negative 9, 11. So negative 9 is x sub 2, y sub 2 is your positive 11. Then substitute the values on the formula. So this will be the formula. Then substitute. So we have substitute the value of y sub 1. We have 5. Then 11. So this will be your y sub 2. 5, y sub 1. Then negative 9, that will be your x sub 2. Then negative 8, that will be your x sub 1. Then x minus negative 8. So this will be your x sub 1, negative 8. Then simplify. Y minus 5. So we have 6 over negative 9 plus 8. Then we have x plus 8. 11 minus 5 is 6. Negative negative is positive 8. Negative multiply to negative 8, positive 8. Then we have y minus 5 equals 6, y 6. So copy 6. Then negative 1, negative 9 plus 8, unlike sign. Then subtract, then follow the sign of this number because 9 is greater than 8. So we have negative 1. Then copy or bring down x plus 8. Then 6 divided into negative 1. And therefore, we have y minus 5 equals negative 6. Then multiply to x plus 8. Then multiply negative 6 multiply to x. Then negative 6 multiplied to positive 8. And therefore, we have y minus 5 equals to negative or is equal to negative 6x minus 48. Negative 6x, so we have negative 6x. Negative 6 multiplied to positive 8, so we have negative 48. Then transpose negative 5 because we are looking the linear equation or the equation of the line in the form of y equals to mx plus b. So you transpose negative 5 and you isolate y on the left side. So y equals negative 6x minus 48. Then we have positive 5. Negative 5 transpose, we have positive 5. Then you add this negative 48 plus 5, and therefore the answer is y equals to negative 6x minus 43. 48 minus 5 is 43 because unlike sign, negative 48 plus 5 is negative 43. Why negative? Because negative 48 is greater than 5. And therefore, this will be your equation of the line of the form y equals mx plus b. So this will be your m and this will be your b. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. Bye.